Natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, and wildfires can cause a lot of damage and fear. However, they also show us how strong and resilient people can be when facing tough times. Throughout history, communities have faced these challenges and found ways to rebuild and recover. When a disaster strikes, it can seem like everything is lost. Homes are destroyed, streets are flooded, or trees are burned down. But in the midst of this destruction, people come together. Neighbors help neighbors, strangers offer support, and rescue teams work tirelessly to save lives. This spirit of coming together is a key part of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back after something difficult happens. After a natural disaster, this can mean rebuilding homes, finding new ways to protect the environment, or even creating new technologies to predict disasters before they happen. Communities that focus on preparedness, like having emergency kits, evacuation plans, and strong buildings, are often able to recover faster. One example of resilience is the story of New Orleans after Hurricane Katrina in 2005. The hurricane caused massive flooding, and many people lost their homes. However, over the years, the city has worked hard to rebuild. They improved their levees, created better emergency plans, and made their community stronger. Today, New Orleans stands as a symbol of resilience and recovery. Another example is Japan, which frequently experiences earthquakes. The country has invested in advanced technology to build earthquake-resistant buildings, and they regularly hold drills to teach people how to stay safe during an earthquake. Because of this preparedness, Japan is able to recover more quickly from natural disasters. While natural disasters can't always be prevented, resilience is what helps people move forward. By learning from past disasters, creating strong support systems, and preparing for the future, communities can face the challenges of nature and come out stronger on the other side.